In this video, we will show you how to set up your Heimgard Indoor Camera 360. Your indoor camera should be placed in reach of a power supply outlet. The camera can be set on a table or shelf, or mounted on the wall. Before setting up your new indoor camera, it's important to check that your indoor camera is in close proximity to the Heimgard Hub and your internet router. You can set up your new Heimgard Indoor Camera 360 with both an Ethernet cable and with Wi-Fi. First step in setting up your indoor camera with an Ethernet cable is to connect the power cable to the camera and plug the power adapter into your wall socket. Then, connect the Ethernet cable from the camera to an internet-connected home router. You will now see a notification at the top of your screen of unconfigured devices. Click Configure to enter the found devices list. Click the Configure button and name your device and choose its designated room. Press Advanced Settings to choose between Recording and Generic mode. If you prefer to set up your indoor 360 camera using Wi-Fi, follow these steps. Connect the power cable to the camera and plug the power adapter into your wall socket. You are now ready to pair your Heimgard Indoor Camera 360 to your app. Open the Heimgard app and click the gear symbol located in the top right corner. Click Manage Devices, then click the plus sign and then click the Add Camera symbol. Enter your router's Wi-Fi name and password, then click Generate. This will generate a QR code on your phone. Then press the camera's Join button for 5 seconds and the LED light flashes blue. Now, turn your screen light to max and hold your phone approximately 10 to 30 centimeters in front of the camera. Your camera will confirm connection with 2 beeps, and the LED light will flash blue and red while connecting to your Wi-Fi network. You will now see a notification at the top of your screen of Unconfigured Device. Click Configure. Name your device and choose your designated room. Press Advanced Settings to choose between Recording and Generic mode. If you want to mount the camera on the wall, drill 2 holes 3 centimeters apart. Insert the wall anchors into the wall. Use the included screws and attach the wall bracket to the wall. Then, fasten the camera to the wall bracket. Thank you for choosing Heimgard. Enjoy your new product. For further information, please visit our website, heimgard.com.